get a chance for me in and I want to let you know models. Can I start, sir?
Yes.
Can physical ability. Can physical ability. I can lift this weight. And mental ability. I can solve this sum. Good politeness. Could you please give me a glass of water? Could you please give me a glass of water? May. Seek permission. May I go there? May I go Delhi? And grant permission. Yes, you go. Blessing. May you live long? And possibility. It may rain today. Less possibility. It might be rain today. Have to under compassion. He have to go to market and he has to read. Had to under compassion. I had to learn history. Good politeness. I think extreme politeness. Would you please give me a glass of water? Should normal advice. You should obey our parents. Must necessity of work. You must earn the money. Used to habitual. And Mohan used to smoke. Even nowadays he used to smoke. Ought to duty. You ought to obey traffic rules. Need necessity of work. He need to go there. He need to eat something. There. How do you dare to come here? And how does he dare to eat my food? Would be and must be. Would be, must be. Sita must be coming and it must be running. Shall we go? And you will read the books. Would, should, must, could, have plus verb की third form. You should have gone there. You would have talked me. About to. Ram is about to come. And what were you about to do? Thank you very much.
Now the turn of Mr. Kapil. He will narrate 100 sentences in active and passive voice.
Good evening, everybody. I will speak some sentences like Sachin does create a scene on the road. Sachin doesn't create a scene on the road. Does Sachin create a scene on the road? Why does Sachin create a scene on the road? Why doesn't Sachin create a scene on the road? Sachin is creating a scene on the road. Sadly, Sachin isn't creating a scene on the road. Is Sachin creating a scene on the road? Why is Sachin creating a scene on the road? Why isn't Sachin creating a scene on the road? Sachin has created a scene on the road. Sachin hasn't created a scene on the road. Why Sachin has created a scene on the road? Why hasn't Sachin created a scene on the road? Sachin created a scene on the road. Sachin did not create a scene on the road. Did Sachin created a scene on the road? Didn't Sachin created a scene on the road? Why didn't Sachin created a scene on the road? Why Sachin will create a scene on the road? Sachin will be create a scene on the road. And first छोड़ो.
Okay. Now I will thank to all of my panelists who come here and gave hard performance. Now you thank because it's time to shut our performance because the time over. And our panelists gave a good performance of him. And because of I thankful to all of them because they gave his performance in front of me. And I say thanks. Please clap for all of them.